spick and span, clean and well looked, brand new. It's festival time. I want my house spick and span. Fragrance, a pleasant smell. The fragrance of this flower is very nice. Scapegoat, a person who is punished for things that are not his/her fault. Don't make him a scapegoat. He is innocent. Trick, something that you do to make somebody believe something that is not true. It must be his trick. Every time he wins. Suggestion, a plan or idea that somebody mentions for somebody else to discuss and consider. He rejected my suggestion. Superstition, a belief that cannot be explained by reason or science. Some people believe in superstition. I don't. Annoyance, the feeling of being annoyed. I don't know the reason for his anger. Laziness, the quality of not being willing to work or use any effort. How do I control my laziness? It'll destroy me. One-sided, used about an opinion, an argument, etc., showing only one point of view. Not balanced. He can't say, but he loves one-sidedly. Spellbind, hold the complete attention of someone, as though by magic. The children were spellbound at the circus. Punishment, their action or way of punishing somebody. Tony abused his father, so he got punishment. Loyal, used about a person not changing in your friendship or beliefs. She is very loyal to his friends. Secret, something that is not or must not be known by other people. Push, hey, this is the secret. Don't tell anyone. Advice, an opinion that you give somebody about what he/she should do. Keep quiet, please. I do not want your advice. Shameful, which somebody should feel bad about. There is no apology for such shameful behavior. Victory, success in winning a battle, game, competition, etc. It was our dream to see your victory, my son. Anxious, worried and afraid. Whenever he is late, he gets anxious. Insolent, lacking respect, rude. I don't like such insolent children. Midnight, 12 o'clock at night. What were you doing at midnight yesterday? Patience, the quality of being able to stay calm and not get angry. Have patience. He will free soon. Haughty, proud, and thinking that you are better than other people. She is being haughty day by day. greedy, wanting more food, money, power, etc. My younger brother is very greedy. I don't like him. Ignorant, not knowing about something. I was ignorant of that problem. Humanity, the quality of being kind and understanding. Everyone should show humanity. We all people are equal. Destitute, without any money, food or a home. Please help the destitute people.